Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about my hobby, which is reading novels. I usually read novels around 4 to 5 times a week. On college day, I spend about 30 minutes to 1 hour reading, usually before going to bed. On weekends, I can spend more time, sometimes up to 2 or 3 hours, especially if the story is really interesting. Reading novels is something I truly enjoy, so I don't feel bored even if I do it for a long time. Most of the time, I do this activity alone. I prefer reading by myself because it helps me focus and imagine the story better. When I read alone, I can fully enter the world of the characters and feel their emotion more deeply. However, sometimes I also share my reading experience with my friends. We talk about the stories, recommend books to each other, and discuss our favorite characters. I like doing this because it makes reading more fun and allows me to see different perspectives about the same story. In my opinion, reading novels is a very good activity. First, it helps improve my vocabulary and language skills. By reading, I learn new words and understand how to use them in sentence. Second, novels can improve my imagination and creativity. When I read, I imagine the scenes, characters, and settings in my mind. Third, reading novels can also teach valuable life lessons. Many stories contain messages about friendship, love, struggle, and perseverance, which I can apply in real life. So, I believe reading novels is not only entertaining but also beneficial. To enjoy this hobby, I don't need too much equipment. The main thing I need is, of course, a novel. It can be a physical book or an ebook on my phone. Besides that, I also like to have a quiet and comfortable place, such as my bedroom or a cozy corner. Sometimes, I prepare a drink like tea or water to make the reading experience more relaxing. That's all I need to enjoy my hobby. Managing time between my hobby and my responsibilities is very important. As a student, I have to prioritize my studies, homework, and other tasks. Usually, I finish all my tasks first before reading a novel. I also make a simple schedule for my daily activities. For example, I set aside specific time at night for reading so it doesn't disturb my study time. On weekends, I allow myself more time to read as a reward after completing my responsibilities. By managing my time well, I can enjoy my hobby. In conclusion, reading novels is a hobby that I really love. I do it regularly, mostly by myself, and I believe it is a very positive activity. It helps me learn, relax, and grow as a person. Even though I have many responsibilities, I can still make time for my hobby by managing my schedule properly. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.